Move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Viera East local, and long-distance movers near me. As 3 Movers, we have mastered the art of local moves in Viera East, Florida. Our skilled Viera East local TM movers will arrive promptly at your location, equipped with the necessary tools and supplies to handle your belongings efficiently. We will carefully pack and load everything onto our well-maintained moving trucks, ensuring their safe transport to your new address. Regarding long-distance moves, 3 Movers goes the extra mile to ensure a seamless and secure relocation. Moving across state lines or to a distant city can be daunting, so we offer specialized services tailored to your long-distance moving needs. Our team of experienced Viera East long-distance 3 Movers will work closely with you to create a customized moving plan that fits your schedule and budget. We take care of every detail, from packing your belongings securely to loading them onto our spacious moving trucks. Rest assured, your items are in safe hands throughout the journey. We use sturdy packing materials and employ efficient loading techniques to minimize the risk of damage during transportation. Additionally, we offer various insurance options to provide additional peace of mind. At 3 Movers, we understand the importance of affordability. We strive to provide the best pricing options that align with your budget without compromising on the quality of our services. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Viera East moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.